Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Calendar with me, Mr. Wiseman, and it is mid-April. We are on another teen number. We had 13 on Tuesday, 14 yesterday, was yesterday. What's after 14? Do you know your teen numbers? 13, 14. Yep, that's right, Charlie's. 15 is today. This is 15. What day of the week is it? Ooh, I think I tricked you there. It's not Friday. It's the day before Friday. Now, it's not Tuesday. TH go together. Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 15th, 2021. All right. Now, that is today. Tomorrow, Miss Morrissey's going to have to tell us what tomorrow is. Because it's like a pattern. We flip days back and forth, back and forth. All right. Now, I hope Zoe is ready for this because we have some sight words this week. They start with W, my favorite letter, but one of them doesn't make the w sound. Only one of them makes the w sound. All right. The first one that does make the W sound like Mr. Wiseman is Will. Will. Now, sometimes Will is someone's name, but this is just the word will. Like, will you do me a favor? So I have all these lowercase. Will. Do you remember what our other sight word is? It's 3 letters. Starts with a W. But it doesn't say what. Who? This kind of reminds me of an owl because who are you? Will and who. Now let's make a sentence with both sight words in them. Are you ready for this? Because it's going to be another question. It's going to be another question. Because Tuesday we made a question. Ooh, which one's it going to be? Who or will? Sometimes I forget my finger space. Two, three, four, five, 6 words. One of them's only 1 letter, though. Are you ready to read this? Goodness, you might be able to read it without me. Who will give me a hug? Oh, well, we have to write an answer for that, because who will give me a hug? Two-word sentence. What does that say? Yes, that's right. I will. Who will give me a hug? I will. Oh my goodness. Can you even see my period? It is so small. It's just a dot. Who will give me a hug? I will. Oh, 2 times. We wrote will. W-I-L-L. W-I-L-L. If you know that this is will, and you're going to write it again, is it spelled the same? Yes. Every time, will is spelled the same. W-I-L-L. All right. I'm going to read this in my head. Now, if you read it in your head, does that mean that you close your eyes? No, you have to keep your eyes open so you can see the words and point to the words. All right, we're moving right along here. I predict that we're going to do some math. That's what's going to happen next. Okay, in math this week, we are doing some composing of numbers. We're seeing what numbers make up a number. And it's not a fact family, it's a little bit different, but we do have one bigger number. So if we have 4, we can make a little chart around it. We can figure out what numbers add together to make 4. So we're going to compose 4. We're going to take smaller numbers, put them together, and make 4. So the first number is going to be 0. 0 plus what equals 4? If you have 0, how many do you need to equal 4? You have to have 4. Okay. 0, what number is after 0? 1. 1 plus what equals 4? If you have 1, how many do you have to add to get to 4? 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay, 0, 1, what's the next number? 2. 2. 2 plus equals 4. If you have 2, how many do you need to get to 4? You have to put 2 more. 2 plus 2 equals 4. What's the next number? 3. 3. And we already know this one. 3 plus 1 equals 4. That is what we're doing in math this week. We're having a big number, and we're figuring out all the ways we can add to get to that number. Now, this helps us make our brain quicker, because if we know that 1 plus 3 equals 4, we also know that 3 plus 1 equals 4. And we don't have to use our fingers to count all the time. And then we can add bigger numbers. All right, boys and girls, well, let's sing a song to end the day. Are you ready for this? I'm going to sit down because this one makes me chilly and it has a lot of hand motions. This one's called Frost is On. The frost is on the trees, the frost is on the ground, the frost is on the window, the frost is all around. The frost is very icy, the frost is very bright, the frost is very slippery, the frost is very white. Bye.